we might be buying the product, we might be buying the platform, but what really is great for me also is to know that let's say the service behind it is as good as the product. And I think that for me was like a win-win basically. My name is Anna. At the moment, the IT operations manager at Swapfiets. I'm managing the team of 5 education managers and also on the side of IT support. So some of the problems we were facing before we started to work with Workwize essentially was tracking the ownership of devices. So making sure that our data between our device management system and the hardware management system are aligned.
I'm Mario Sonatino from Swapfiets and I work in the IT department. Before working with Workwize, one of the main problems we encountered was the procurement of the items, but also have everything centralized in one platform.
We were looking into different solutions, but to be honest, we struggled quite a lot. Like there wasn't much out there that I would say, oh yeah, this is a great solution for our use cases. There were specific platforms that maybe just offered us kind of like a self-service platform when you can order devices, but there was not clear closing loop, everything from procurement all the way to enrollment of devices and also tracking the ownership, etc.
The collaboration with Workwize in practice looks and works very, very smooth. We have everything just on one platform, and from there I can just check everything, even where the device is, if the device is ongoing, or if you get stuck on something. That helps quite a lot.
All right, so some of the base processes that are involved in us working with the Workwize, basically, I can definitely touch upon the on and offboarding process when it comes to new hires or the leading employees in the company. So you can imagine how important it is for us to make sure that timelines are correct. We have enough also inventory, so making sure that someone starts their job within the Swapfiets, that we can provide those devices. And even more important for me is to also make sure that we can retrieve those devices once the people offboard. So I think those two are for me the base processes that are now we were able to streamline with working with Workwize.
In the impact of Workwize in my team had a very big impact, because before we were 3 persons doing all the processes like packing devices, preparing devices, sending devices, doing the onboardings, and now this is just only me checking or having an overview of what is happening, where the devices are going, or where exactly the device is.
So at the moment at Swapfiets, we have around 1,300 employees in different countries within the Europe. In the last year, since we started to collaborate with Workwize, I think we supplied around 1,200 devices. I see them becoming even stronger. We're even more embedded within our way of working in terms of providing the feedback back to Workwize, making sure that certain things and the features can be implemented for our use cases. They're giving us a great product, great service. On the other hand, I think we're also quite a huge customer that can give them a lot of insights and ideas for the new improvements. So I'm pretty sure we're going to continue collaboration with them in the future.